am Antonio Bosco. I am a postdoc of the University of Naples Federico II, and I present a field trial to evaluate the anthelmintic efficacy of the aqueous Dryopteris filix-max and Punica granatum macerate against gastrointestinal nematodes of sheep. As we know, there is a threat of the reduced efficacy of anthelmintics against gastrointestinal nematode, as in southern Italy, where we report recently the reduced efficacy of benzimidazole in 2 sheep farms. The anthelmintic resistance is an increasing problem that imposed the need to explore and validate the novel solution for a sustainable control of helminth infection in ruminant. In many countries, including Europe, plants have been used as a folk medicine for parasite control in small ruminant. In Italy, many plants were used in livestock farms, and this tradition have survived in some areas as Calabria region. In Calabria region, located in southern Italy, some sheep farms use traditional plants to control of helminth infection, including pomegranate and melfare. So a scientific validation is necessary before adapting them as a new method for parasite control. So the aim of this study was to evaluate in vivo anthelmintic activities of aqueous macerate based on the melfern plant and fruit and peel of pomegranate against gastrointestinal nematodes in naturally infected sheep. The trial was performed in a sheep farm located in the Calabria region with 500 sheep of local breed for mixed milk and meat production. The traditional blend tested in this study were performed according to ancient and ethno-veterinary recipes handed down for centuries from generation to generation, as follows: extract of melfare obtained by maceration in water, and extract of pomegranate obtained by maceration in water. A total of 45 sheep naturally infected by gastrointestinal nematodes were selected and divided into 3 homogeneous groups of 15 animals each. The first group was treated orally with 15 ml of the melfern macerates. Second group was treated orally with 50 ml of pomegranate macerate, and the control group was untreated. At day 0, we allocated the 3 groups. We collected and examined the fecal samples, and we treated the animals. At day 7, 14, and 21, fecal samples were collected and examined to evaluate the anthelmintic efficacy. Individual facts were analyzed using flow-tag technique with a sodium chloride flotation solution, and a larva culture were performed to identify the gastrointestinal nematode genera. In this farm, there were Trichostrongylus, Hemoncus, Pterodorsagia, Schabertia, and Coperia, and the egg count reduction was calculated. So, the results showed that anthelmintic efficacy of melfern was very low at all time, as seen from table, while the anthelmintic efficacy of pomegranate was higher, with the fecal egg count reduction values of 15 at day 7, 44 at day 14, and 40 at day 21. Analysis of pomegranate aqueous extract was performed by the Department of the Chemistry using electrospray ionization mass spectrometry. In this table, we report the chemical characterization results of total drug extract, and this analysis identifies 6 peaks with the respective analyzed. In addition, from drug extract, we obtained 3 fractions: methanol, insoluble residue, and gallic acid that we used to perform AGH test, and in vitro results confirm in vivo results. In fact, all fractions produce a significant ovicidal activity against the gastrointestinal nematode at all concentration. The anthelmintic activity of pomegranate is probably due to action of the component identified with the chromatography analysis. The results obtained in our study are in accordance with other in vitro and vivo studies, and other studies indicate that pomegranate has a significant anthelmintic activity and improve the antioxidant status by protecting the host tissue from helminth infection. In conclusion, the in vivo results showed an alternative in effectiveness of Merfer and low anthelmintic efficacy of pomegranate. Despite this, the use of aqueous macerate based on the fruit and peel of pomegranate with fecal count reduction values above 50% could be an alternative or complementary to drugs for gastrointestinal nematode control in sheep. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you very much, Antonio. We have some questions. The first, so how did you decide the dose rate, the concentration of the macerate?
Okay, the concentration, the dose, we use this dose according to sheep farm that we use by many years. In fact, this recipe have been handed down from generation to generation.
And was this just one dose, Antonio, not every day?
Yeah, no, we use only one dose.
Uh-huh. And this has to be as a dose, it's not palatable, so you have to give it as a drench. You don't let the drink.
Yeah.
You know. Good, we have another question. It'll be the last question because it has more votes. So how do you evaluate the zootechnical performance and any toxic effects on the host?
Yes, but when we use in a single dose, we don't see the toxic effect on the sheep.
Thank you very much. We'll move on now, Antonio, and I'm going to hand over the chair to Smaro.
Thank you.
Thank you.